Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing here one a very important and high profitable pattern. Yes, this is trend continuation pattern, and today I am explaining here. This is 99% sure shot pattern of binary option. Yes, this is a trend continuation pattern. This called inside bar pattern. Inside bar pattern is a trend continuation pattern, and it's a 99% sure shot strategy. So I am explaining here. I'm drawing here. So suppose this is uptrend here. Oh no. Suppose this is uptrend here, strong uptrend, and suddenly we found here a small bearish candle like this one, it have also weak or not weak, but there is a condition here. There is also upper weak here. There is a condition here. The condition is this week didn't cross this level, this bullish candle starting level, opening level, so like this one. So if we found this type of pattern in strong uptrend, so it's 99% sure that market next candle will go up. 99% sure that next candle will goes up. So it's a very profitable pattern and strategy. So I am explaining in bearish inside bar also. I am drawing here. Suppose market is falling down, so there is weeks, upper weeks. So after this type of strong downtrend, there is more than 3 candle also. It's not a big issue, but in a strong downtrend or in strong uptrend, when suddenly we found this type of candle, the next candle obviously goes down. This is a high profitable setup of binary option. So like this one. So next candle obviously goes down. So there is one condition here. This wicks or this candle body can't cross this opening price of bearish candle. I'm showing here like this one. I'm showing here like this one. So it's not valid. It's not valid. So we have to observe this point, or the body. If the candle's body is like this one, strong candle, so it's not valid. So we have to observe very carefully. The condition is like this. The condition is like this. So next candle goes up. This is highly profitable setup. So I am explaining it, and I am showing here it in live chart, live market also. So let's go to the live market. So this is Euro USD pair and binary option, IQ option platform. So we have to search this type of setup. So I am searching here. Yes. So after two candles, the market is moving below 50 EMA line, so it's a downtrend. Now it's a downtrend here, so strong downtrend. The trend started from here. I am showing here, or the market started falling down from here. Started falling down after this point. I am showing here. After these two candles, we found a small bullish candle inside of this bearish candle, and this upper wicks didn't cross this opening price, so it's valid one. Next candle strongly goes down, so it's very profitable, more than 99% profitable, 99% profitable strategy like this one. This is another one. So downtrend, this bullish candle is totally inside of this bearish candle, and this upper wicks below its opening price. So next candle goes down. It's the psychology of binary option. So this one, it's happened again and again. This one, this is strong candle, and this candle's body totally inside in this candle, and this wicks below this opening price, didn't cross this opening price. So next candle, what happened? Next candle goes down. It's highly profitable setup, so we can place our trade again and again based on this continuation setup, trend continuation pattern. So I am showing here, yes, this bullish one. What happened here? Observe here. Yes, this is a strong uptrend here, strong uptrend. Suddenly we found this type of candle, bearish candle. This is called inside bar. The lower wicks didn't cross this opening price of this bullish candle. So what happened? Next candle strongly goes up. So this is not valid one. We can trust like this one, this body and this wicks cross below this opening price of this bullish candle. So this is not valid one. We can't take trade fearlessly in this type of setup, but this is the setup. We can trade, we can place our trade fearlessly, and we can trade in this type of setup in a high amount, like $100, $50, $100, $200. This obviously our winning trade. The candle must fulfill its condition. So what's the condition? Condition number 1, the trend must strong uptrend or strong downtrend, and small candle like this one inside this bullish candle, and its lower wicks can't cross this opening price of bullish candle. In this type of situation, we can trade high amount. This obviously our winning trade. So this is all about inside bar psychology, inside bar pattern psychology, trend continuation pattern psychology. So we can place our trade again and again in this type of setup. So thank you for watching my videos.